I'm back. Did you miss me? Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha featuring this beautiful baby Alud Bestseller. Today I will be teaching you guys an amazing hack that you can use to make your home smell amazing. So in this video, you'll be needing ashes. We call this toka in Hausa. Yeah, so when you get your ashes and you add your ashes to your burner. So I was taught this hack by my mentor, my Sarkatani mentor in Togo, and ever since I tried this, I think my Bakhoor game increased to 1,000,000,000%. So you can see the ashes has some charcoal in it. Like, I did not sieve these, but you can sieve yours if you want to try this. So I added on some oil perfume to my ashes. In this video I'll be using Blackwood oil perfume. The oil perfume comes in this kind of bottle and is packed this way. So I have like a little in this jar which I kept, and I will be adding the oil perfume to the ashes. I use approximately 3 ml of oil perfume to 2 spoonfuls of ashes. Depending on how big your burner is, you'll be needing more or less. So make sure the oil perfume you're using in your video, in your burner or your ashes complements the incense, the turaren water, the Bakhoor you want to use. So I used Blackwood oil perfume because I wanted to use I used my bestseller incense, which is the Alud. If you're using incense or turaren water or Bakhoor, like the sandal chips, sandal asal, sandal flakes, I would suggest you use maybe like a sandalia or like a bushra or a oud bushra or Arabian oud perfume. So after adding the oil perfume, I mixed the oil perfume and the ashes very well so that every part of the ashes will get the oil perfume. It will be like fully incorporated and it will give me the result I am looking for. So this hack, the importance of this hack is that it will just like I said, increase your fragrance game. Like, it will make your home smell amazing when you burn your turaren water. When you add your ashes to your hot coal to this and your Bakhoor to this, it will smell amazing. So I added my coal. I love using the local coal because this is what I see my mom using every day. I don't see my mom using the quick coal. I am not saying you should not use the quick coal, but this gives amazing results. It helps you bring, I don't know, there's a one similarity to that. It helps you bring out the nice scent of your traditional oil perfumes like the Alud, the Fergie. So I am taking my bestseller Alud and I will be burning the Alud today. It's kind of rainy and I think that's a nice weather to burn the Alud, to give me that rich Arabian scent and make me feel like one rich auntie. So Alud is available. It is available in limited quantity and this is just 7,000 naira only. You can check my website to order these and you can send me a DM. My links are in my bio and I will drop my number on the screen and in the description box. But please, if you're not purchasing, don't come and be asking me questions in my DM, please guys. So this is how beautiful our Alud is looking. Look at how juicy and look at the amount of ferchi in there. Look at the amount of ingredients, like premium Alud. So I added just a few sticks to my coal. One thing about my turaren water is that you need a few sticks like this. is amazing. And if you're in the US and if you're in London and you want to buy that's the UK, you want to buy my turaren water, just comment. I will drop the link of my I have wholesalers in US and UK, so you can get my turaren water from them, and even Niger too. So I added the halud, and this is it's like, look at the smoke coming out, amazing. And I hope you guys try this hack. It is amazing, like it is amazing. I dropped this video on my TikTok. You guys can follow me on my TikTok. Check the link to my TikTok in my bio, and Instagram too in my bio. I dropped a Hausa version and an English version there, and I dropped content there too. Then yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video please to your family, and please watch the ad at the beginning of the video. That's how you can support me. That's the only way you can support me. You can also support me by buying my trial water, but please don't skip the ads. It's so important to me. Make when you try this hack, you can tag me, you can send me a message. I would definitely check this out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye. So we have other products available. As you can see in the background, we have this beautiful burner, and this burner is going for just 3,500 naira. Like, I mean 35 naira only. And we have other amazing products like the bathing mist, like the humras, the collectors, the sandal incense, the white wood incense, and we are launching our website soon. And when we do that, there will be a promo, a giveaway, a sales, and a discount for you all. Like, look at my premium halud. Look at my premium halud. I'm shipping this to the UK. So like I said, if you want to get my product, send me a DM using the number on the screen, and I will link you up to my wholesalers in UK and US and in Niger and in Ghana too. So for other countries, if you're interested, send me a DM. I will give you a very good price and a very amazing price. See you in my next one. Bye.